Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Tovia. I'm Chef Tovia. Today I'm doing a collaboration with my best friend, Simply Sara. Please stop by her channel and see what she's making for our March Madness collaboration. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make teriyaki chicken fajita sandwiches. They're so simple to make and you'll have dinner or lunch on the table in no time. Please subscribe to my channel where I upload new videos on every Mondays and Thursdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on social media. You'll find all that information in the description box below as well as today's recipe. So I got some chicken breasts that I cut up as thin as I could into strips. I'm going to use my marinade. I'm using Lee and Perrin's marinade. This is teriyaki, or you can use any type of teriyaki marinade you want to use. And I did shake it. I'm just going to pour over my chicken and just mix this together. And the good thing, so I'm going to just cover this with a plate and I'm going to let this sit and marinate at room temp for about 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is just add some vegetable oil to my pan, and I'm going to just add a few pieces of chicken at a time in here. I'm going to drip off all the excess marinade that's on here. Chicken in. I'm not going to overcrowd the pan because we're going to really stir fry this. You can do this in a wok or in a cast iron pan. Now when you add the chicken to it, if it pops, it's going to pop because of the marinade. Just stand back and allow some of the popping to calm down. Now I'm going to just give this a stir. So this has been going for a minute. I'm going to give this a stir. So we're going to fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll know when it's done. You'll start to see the chicken brown a bit. So it's done now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it out with a spot of spoon. And just set this aside for now. So I'm going to cook all the remaining chicken the same way. Only add some more oil if your pan needs more oil. My pan doesn't need more oil. I finished cooking all the chicken, and you might have some of these caramelized bits from your teriyaki sauce in here still. That's fine. And I still have some oil. I didn't have to add any more oil since I started cooking. So I'm going to add my onions, slice some bell peppers. You can slice the bell peppers however you want. So I'm just going to cook all this down for a few minutes until the onions are tender. So now that my onions and pepper has cooked down, I'm going to turn down my heat here. And then I'm going to return the chicken. I'm going to pour over some more of the marinade sauce. Don't use the sauce that was in the bowl from the chicken. Use it straight from the jar, unless you want to get salmonella poison. I'm just going to add just enough of the sauce over it to give everything a nice glaze. And I'm going to heat everything through. I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it. I'm just going to take some of that chicken mixture, and I have here some whole wheat bully buns. Just spoon that chicken right on top of it. I'm using Bavarian sauerkraut. I'm not going to put cheese on it. You can if you want to, but I'm just cheese on chicken. I try to avoid it. Look at how delicious that sandwich looks. It smells amazing. It looks very tempting, and I love sauerkraut. So this is our chicken fajita sandwich. Don't forget to stop by Sara's channel. The link is in the iCard above and in the description box so you can see what she's whipping up in her kitchen for our March Madness collaboration. So here it goes. I'm gonna begin from this side. That chicken is so tender and juicy, and all those flavors from the marinade that we use and the peppers and onions. It tastes just like a chicken fajita, but better. because we made it a teriyaki chicken fajita. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please add it to your vape playlist. Please share this video. Also leave a comment if you have any, or a request if you have any. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of my new uploads. Don't forget to stop by my baking channel if you're interested in learning how to bake or just becoming better at baking. It's a sugary sweet. You'll find that in the description box below. Remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together as one. Thank you so much for watching.